Is counsel having his client invoke?
I'll also object to it.
It also calls for a legal conclusion.
Yeah. Amber is clearly not done fighting for her version of the truth, but we don't think her lawyers share in this desperation to win. In fact, a new clip has revealed how agitated her lawyers can be, and with this, we don't see her appeal tilting to her favor. Keep watching to know more. The legal battle between Amber and JD is far from being over, as Amber have decided to appeal the U.S. verdict. She is 100% appealing on freedom of speech and is telling friends she is determined to take it all the way to the Supreme Court if she has to. A source told Us Weekly in June 2022 after the verdict was announced. She is not able to comprehend that she lost. The insider added that while the Aquaman star has not yet filed the appeal, she is convinced that she will win. Also, according to court documents obtained by Us in July 2022, Heard's team officially filed an appeal in Depp's defamation case against her. We believe the court made errors that prevented a just and fair verdict consistent with the First Amendment, a spokesperson for the Texas native told Us exclusively. We are therefore appealing the verdict. While we realize today's filing will ignite the Twitter bonfires, there are steps we need to take to ensure both fairness and justice. But we heard it first from Amber's ex-leading attorney, Elaine Bredehoft. According to Bredehoft, Heard was affected by the ramifications that this case could have on other survivors of domestic abuse in the future.
First thing she said is, "I am so sorry to all those women out there. This is a setback for all women in and outside the courtroom." And she feels it, and she feels the burden of it.
But fans have concluded that Amber doesn't stand a chance, especially because her legal team may not be as competent as Amber wishes.
May I ask the basis for the objection?
The instruction.
An instruction not to answer.
It calls for a legal conclusion, and it
In this video, Amber's lawyer, Charles Harder, whose face was not shown, objected a question raised by Depp's lawyer without a reasonable legal backing, and in no time, he started to panic. Which begs the question, how will Amber win the appeal with a legal team that unstable? Besides, this isn't the only time Amber's lawyers have panicked. Amber Heard's ex-lawyer, Elaine Bredehoft, broke down in tears after the closing arguments. A bunch of court-goers turned to their Twitter after the trial ended and shared how they spotted Elaine leaving for the bathroom, visibly upset by the ongoing criticism. Elaine, after trial, before the jury went home, #Elaine Bredehoft left for the bathroom crying. We all felt terrible for her. After she came out, we tried to make her smile. I hope it helped, wrote James from court. We don't know why she was crying, but we all noted how it must be hard for her to deal with all of this public attention while defending a client she probably doesn't like and who constantly abuses her, he added. Oh, that appears like an overwhelming panic. Additionally, in court, Elaine was caught mouthing, I'm trying, and if that wasn't panicking, we don't know what it was. And if Amber's new legal team consists of lawyers who easily fall under pressure, oh well, Amber might as well kiss her winning chances goodbye. Let's see what fans think. A fan wrote, Amber Heard is asked by JD's lawyer if she had ever committed domestic violence against him. Her lawyer objects to the question and instructs her not to answer on the grounds of the Fifth Amendment. The fifth, the right to refuse a question that could incriminate herself. While another fan added, does anyone else think the young male lawyer that sat next to Amber in the trial constantly looked at her like he didn't believe her and would rather be anywhere else in the world but there? Or is it just me? #Amber Heard is finished. #Johnny Depp keeps winning. Well, that sure sounds like what Elaine went through, and one thing about history is that it sometimes repeats itself. See you in the next video, and don't forget to perceive our information as opinions and not facts. Bye.